y'all, welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. What's up, Nique fam? Okay, so in this tutorial we will be doing a colorful cut crease, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into it. But before we do, y'all already know, please like this video, comment down below, and let me know what you think. All right, let's go. Okay, so for the brows, I'm using the NiqueNaturalTM brow pencil. This is in the color Dark Coffee. This is the perfect natural shade. And I love it. And I'm going ahead, y'all can see like that's instant. So y'all already know I will be doing an updated brow tutorial for you guys. So this video won't be long. I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows and then I'll come back and do my eyes. And this brow pencil can be ordered off my website, NiqueNaturalTM.com, and I'll have the link in the description down below. Okay, so before I start, I'm using NYX's Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. This is in the color Alabaster. And this is my second time using this product, and it's pretty good, and the coverage is really nice. I don't know if it's too soon to judge, but I'm liking the pigmentation and everything and how smooth it is. And the reason I'm going in with a light concealer is because I want my colors to pop. However light your concealer is, that's how much more vibrant your shadow will be. Okay, now that I sculpted out my brows, I'm going in and using that brush and tapping that base. So that way it's very, you know, it's just very, I don't know, I can't think of, I don't know what I'm gonna say, y'all. It's just, that way it's blended into the skin. I want to find some magical word to say, but yeah, just pat that, pat, pat, pat. So yeah, we're gonna pat that base. Okay, and then I'm gonna take another brush and blend out the edge, just buff out the edge. I'm gonna go with a smaller brush, but I'm gonna use this Real Techniques brush, and this is the setting brush. And I'm just going to take that. Y'all please let me know if this tutorial is helping y'all at all. Okay. I'm just taking that and kind of like buffing out the edge, because that's the edge. I'm not buffing all over the eye. Just where I want that product kind of like to disappear. You know, thinking about how you want it finished. So that way when I do my foundation, it's not too harsh of a line, because I have so much product built right here. And I don't think I've mentioned it, but for the top of my brows, I use this Even in the color Deep Tan. And I'm just gonna take my foundation brush and blend that upward. But if y'all want a detailed video about my brows or whatever, please let me know. Okay? So I feel like all right. Now we can move on to eyeshadow. Okay, so first we're gonna go into this color Iceberg. I know I probably shouldn't show you my palette. It's beat up, y'all. Okay. But yeah, going to that shade Iceberg. Y'all, please don't judge me by the look of my palette, okay? It's beautiful. I mean, your palette may look nicer because I'm pretty sure you guys are more cleaner and everything. Me, I'm not saying I'm not clean, but I'm an artist, so I'm kind of like, and also too, I'm just gonna continue because I never keep a palette clean, honestly. So we're just gonna take that Iceberg and we're gonna place that up underneath the brow. I know you can barely see it because it's against this white. See if we take this. I'm gonna bring the tone down a little bit so y'all can see. Taking that Iceberg and I'm just gonna put it right on that brow bone. So it's just like that area in that angled part up underneath your brow. Okay, and then next we're gonna go into Winkle. And it's another shimmery color. So y'all just bear with me. But y'all done made me bold with these colors now. With using the shimmery colors for my background and stuff. I'm like, I never would have thought of that. But in makeup, you really don't have any rules, right?
I'm back.
You back, baby? Oh. Okay, so I'm gonna take this Garnier micellar water and this Q-tip to cut my crease, because you're supposed to get a cleaner cut crease. So yeah, let me go ahead and do that and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm gonna take this e.l.f. Hydrating Coconut Mist, or you can take any setting spray, and I'm gonna spray my brush, like mist it a little bit, and I'm gonna go into that color Iceberg so everything can be all smooth, and I'm just gonna put that on my lid. So the eye is finished, and what I'm gonna do next is complete it with a wing and do my other eye, and I'll be doing my makeup and I'll come right back. Okay, so now I'm adding lashes, and this is in the style Wifey's. And you can also get these in the style Nique's Fave, because they're pretty similar. And it's like my most dramatic lashes as well as the Bambi's. So if you would like to, you know, purchase the lash, please go to my website, NiqueNaturalTM.com. Okay, y'all, so I'm done with my face. Now I'm taking this Lick glitter, and I'm using the glitter that's in Angel Effects or Effects Angel. I think it's Angel Effects. And I just put that in my tear duct, and I use my palette to contour and to highlight. If you guys would like a detailed video of that, please let me know down below. And now the only thing left is for me to put on some lip gloss. Okay, y'all, so this is the finished look. Enjoyed. Please let me know what you think down below in the comments, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, y'all.